Welcome, my name is Balazs and we are here with the brand new Asus Zenfones. We have the Zenfone 4 Max in our hands. This is the big one on my left side, and on the right side we have the 5.2-inch smaller one. The bigger one is 5.5. Essentially they're quite the same with specs, the processor being almost the same. The design is exactly the same with a triple slot here on this side where we have two SIM cards and a micro SD card slot, so you can expand that internal memory. We have on both a wide-angle camera with 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel if you switch to wide angle, and a flashlight, and then we have three colors to choose from: black, pink, which is not looking too pinkish here in the video, and we have gold. So two white in the front, and then the black one is obviously blank in the front. Let me put those back. So micro USB on the bottom, sadly just not Type-C. The headset port will be on the top, but we have a speaker and a microphone, and then on and off switch and volume rocker, and a microphone right next to the obviously headset jack is also weighable. So 5,000 milliamps on the big one and only 4,100 milliamps on the right one, which is still amazing. It's double the size of an iPhone 7 or 8 battery, for example, even more than double, which is quite crazy. But let's try those cameras that I've mentioned before. For example, on the front, 8 megapixel with an extra flashlight, and if I don't want to look so old with wrinkles on my forehead, I can just turn on quickly the beautification feature and make my wrinkles go away with here, as you can see, I have the middle portion turned on maximum, but you can also turn it down. So you can see here now I have more wrinkles, I think, and here everything is gone now. Quite crazy, and my eyes are huge anyway. So if I turn it off, you will see this is how it would normally look like. On the back, 13 megapixel as I mentioned, but if you want to have a bigger picture by not zooming but by just doing the wide angle, you have more in the picture always, and you have only 5 megapixel resolution, but still it's a quite nice feature. And there's obviously also here the possibility to use the Pro features, which you can choose here when you go to the Pro section here on the bottom.
Oh, sure.
So this was already it with a really short overview of the brand new Asus Zenfones, which have a few more features, like for example 32 gigs of maximum memory on the right side and 3 gigs of maximum RAM also. Then we have here the option even for 64 and 4 gigs, and the micro USB charger on the bottom is also possible to use as a power bank for your friends. So if you have another phone that you want to charge, you can use actually this port to charge your other phone with the reverse charging feature. Thank you much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Balazs, and until next time, peace and again.